How to add a budget in Mint? First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website, then log in using your account credentials. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main dashboard where you can view your accounts, spending, and recent transactions. Now, look at the left hand menu and click on the Budgets tab. This section is designed to help you manage your monthly spending. Next, click the Add a Budget button. A window will appear asking you to choose a category. You can select from common options like groceries, entertainment, gas, or shopping, or create your own custom category. After selecting a category, enter the amount you want to set as your monthly spending limit. For example, if your grocery budget is $300 for the month, just type that in. Then click Save. Your budget has now been added successfully. Mint will automatically track your spending in that category and compare it to the budget you have set. You will see a progress bar that shows how much you have spent and what's left for the month. If you want to manage more categories, you can repeat the same steps to add additional budgets. And that's it. Now you know how to add a budget in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.